That is right, guys. I'm going to be spending the next week constructing a cardboard Yeezy, and I will be wearing these to the mall, so make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and give this video a like. But let's go ahead and get into the construction of this Yeezy. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're just going to cut out like the bottom sole of the Yeezy, and then we're going to make layers of cardboard and hot glue for the boost. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So now that we're done with the sole, let's go ahead and start with the upper of the shoe. So I'm going to be doing rings so I can layer cardboard for the upper. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so the Yeezy is all done, and let's go ahead and get some footage of these on feet. I hope you guys like this video. I am doing a sneaker giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost halfway there, so thank you all for all the support. And again, make sure to subscribe and give this video a like. But as always, thank you guys for watching.